I'm joining a little bit late to the party, but this is all that's left. That was about, what, 5 minutes of work? Just putting it in there. We'll just do a time lapse of this really quick. First job down, 3 to go. But we gotta go to the landfill and drop this off first. Yeah, no, I don't need to close those. Yeah. So the first job, the lady said she did not like this wine, so she gave it to us. Oh, I'm not even recording it. She didn't like it, so she just told us to get rid of it for her. And yeah, we'll just drop it off at my place here. Here's the first part of the second job. Just a bunch of couches and mattresses. Let's get started. This client here owns a renovation company, and right now he's doing one of his bigger jobs, which is renovating a 3-floor apartment. And he calls us out to pick garbage up whenever it overflows. And then the annoying thing with this part is that the neighboring apartments, the tenants there, keep throwing their garbage onto his work site, and he has already filed a complaint, and the city says it's on his property, so he has to deal with it. So unfortunately he has to call us and take care of that. We were supposed to come here to clean up a mess that old tenants made, but everything is clean, and the only thing that we're picking up is, I guess, just the couch that was there, and that's it. It was supposed to be a bigger job, but oh well, we'll take care of this anyway. We're back at this location, so I'm just gonna clean all this up, and then there'll be one more job, and there's just a couch.
Oh, man.
Little? They're huge.
Stay away from going across there.
Should we pull it?
Yeah.
Take up blue extension cord there.
Yeah, that's fine. don't have to know what I'm doing. Just walk here right away? Sure. With the wood, I've always seen that.
Let's go grab that couch. We already did the couch job. It's just one thing, so it doesn't take that long for us to load it, but we're already at the landfill. There it is. Beautiful couch. Perfect for the landfill.